Once upon a time, in a magical land, lived a friendly hippogriff named Harry. Harry was not like other hippogriffs. He had a curious heart and loved to explore. One night, Harry dreamt of a hidden treasure chest somewhere in the mystical forest. The chest was said to contain the most beautiful pearls in the world. Next morning, Harry decided to find the treasure chest. He flew high above the forest, his wings glinting in the morning sun. He saw a path he'd never noticed before, leading deeper into the forest. As Harry followed the path, he met a wise old owl sitting on a tree. "Where does this path lead, wise one?" asked Harry. "Follow it," the owl replied, "and you will find what you seek." Harry continued on his journey, his heart filled with excitement. The path led him to a clearing, where the treasure chest was. But as he approached, he heard a growl. A fierce dragon guarded the treasure chest. Harry was scared but remembered the wisdom of the owl. He didn't run away. Instead, he spoke to the dragon, "I don't wish to fight. I only seek the pearls." The dragon, surprised by Harry's bravery, agreed to let him take the pearls. Harry thanked the dragon and opened the chest. The pearls were even more beautiful than he'd imagined. Harry flew back home, his treasure safely in his claws. He shared the pearls with his friends and told them about his adventure. From that day forward, Harry was known as the bravest hippogriff in the land. And so, Harry's dream became a dream come true. He realized that sometimes, dreams can lead us to unexpected adventures, teaching us lessons about bravery and friendship along the way. The end.